make basically. You can use it as a snack or dessert. It only takes 30 minutes to make. Here are the tools. You're gonna need a bowl, measuring cup, spoons, plastic storage container with a lid. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of marshmallow fluff, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, gel or regular food color, optional. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of cornstarch. Why use cornstarch, you ask? Cornstarch is a thickening mixture that traps liquid, makes your food slime less sticky. How does this work, you ask? Here's the reason why this works. When cornstarch is added into your marshmallow fluff, or in this case cream, the moisture becomes less sticky when trapped. Do you know that food scientists have to work with ratios to get the recipes right? In this slime science experiment, I'm looking for the ratio of marshmallow fluff to cornstarch. With this food slime experiment, usually a 1:1 ratio of marshmallow fluff to cornstarch works until your slime heats up by handling it over and over, which means you have to add more cornstarch in order to get the right consistency. I'm going to make 1.5 cups of edible marshmallow slime. That will make slime starchy but not sticky. There, 8 steps. Step 1, I'm going to pour all ingredients into this bowl. So basically we're going to heat up these marshmallows. Time to pour 1 cup of marshmallow fluff. Plus we already got the cornstarch into the bowl. This is a very messy assignment. If you ever made s'mores before, you already know that this will be already sticky. Where we poured 1 cup of marshmallow fluff, time to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I am shaking inside. And remember to add 1/4 of cornstarch into the bowl. So right now we're just gonna stir it up. It's sticking. This mixture has a ratio of 4 parts marshmallow fluff to 1 part cornstarch. Step 2. Stir with a spatula until everything sticks together, which we already did that. Now I'm going to record my observations. Step 3, another 1/4 cup of cornstarch. So we're just going to take some more cornstarch. The reason why I'm adding cornstarch is because it's so sticky. This is how it looks so far. Again, I'm going to record my observations. 1 cup of marshmallow fluff and 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Step 4, add another 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Again, stir the mixture with a spoon until everything sticks together. Step 5, I'm going to use my clean hands to make a ball. So we're just going to take it and try to make a ball. gonna play with the slime for a few minutes. It feels a little bit chunky because there's a little chunks in here. There's chunks of vanilla in this. I'm gonna try and make this into a ball. I'm just gonna try to make a ball out of a tiny piece. So we made a ball, but it's breaking apart. So I made a ball. Okay, we're gonna try to make a bigger ball. It just won't stick together. We added way too much cornstarch. You're gonna give it a nice stretch. It looks like dough, but not a type of tan. So we're just gonna put it in there. Step 6, if you like the texture of your slime, record your results. My hands are messy, so I'm not gonna record them right now. If it is too sticky, add another 1/4 cup of cornstarch into the bowl. I don't have to do that because it's not sticky. If it is sticky, again, stir the mixture with a spoon until everything sticks together. Step 7, if you want to add color to your slime, basically add 8 drops of food color and work it into the ball of your slime. But if you don't have any food coloring, you can add something that has color, like colorful marshmallows. So we're just going to add 8 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can be precise about my last color. 8. Take some of the marshmallows, and we're gonna take a marshmallow and mix it in. Now it's very sticky. The marshmallows, they don't have much cornstarch on them, so you have to add a little bit more cornstarch. It won't be sticky. First, we're just gonna mix the whole entire thing with my hands. So we just need to get rid of the spoon. There we go. And make sure to roll up your sleeves if you're wearing short sleeves. This is very satisfying. You can add other edible items into your slime like cookies or sprinkles. So we're going to add in sprinkles because we don't have any cookies. So this is what it looks like when it has sprinkles in it. So right now we're going to add in the sprinkles. Mix in the sprinkles. It's a little hard to stretch, but eventually they'll stretch. Step 8. Store your slime in a plastic storage container with a sprinkling of cornstarch and the lid on tight. We're ready to put it in storage, but for our core decoration, we're gonna do something with the leftover marshmallows. We're gonna try and make a crown. So we're just gonna make some pits for the marshmallows. I made a few pits. This is my best doing to try and make a crown. Caution! If you eat too much cornstarch, you'll get an upset stomach. Although this slime is safe to taste, do not eat all at once. You can really have fun with this food slime experiment by adding marshmallows, sprinkles, chocolate chips, dried fruit, or cereal. First, we're going to try and make something. A swirl. Time to invite Agent Rye, my most top secure agent in the world. Agent Rye, the most top secure agent in the world. P.S. my older sister. Now what are we doing here? Can you put some cornstarch on my hand? Not that one over here. Some from the bowl.
You make a ball.
I need some cornstarch on these puppies.
If it's too sticky, you add
Cornstarch is basically like, you know, when you try to rock one, you need to add some chalk to give you a better grip. So cornstarch is basically like the chalk.
Okay, now you can eat it. Taste test.
I don't want to eat it right now.
Why you don't want to eat it?
It's just a very perfect ball. But at last I have to eat it.
Take a bite.
This is my bowl. So I'm just going to
How does it taste?
It tastes like marshmallow.
Mine too.
You ate yours? It tastes like what?
Marshmallow. I wouldn't eat it a lot because it has a lot of cornstarch, and cornstarch isn't my ideal type of snack. Sprinkles. We're just gonna do it over.
I'm just gonna make a little pit for my
Make the sprinkles.
I made a
Show
little.
the sprinkles. Did the sprinkles stick? Now you got a color. You got color onto it.
I made a little pit for my marshmallows.
This is like, let's see.
Add some marshmallows in here, please. Now I need the sprinkles. As you know, here's my little.
This is like slime. Wait, this is basically the main thing about this craft.
I give this an A+.
This is my.
You can make this anytime if you run out.
I put a little bit too much up. Over the bowl it goes. Someone actually do this like with real slime.
Okay. Oh God.
No, it's not edible.
Yeah, you can bite it.
Okay, we're gonna add a pink marshmallow.
Add a marshmallow.
Okay. You can.
I'm gonna add this sherbet marshmallow.
Good choice. We will give you a little.
Why am I dropping everything?
No closure, just have butterfingers.
My DIY slime with sprinkles.
I'm just gonna work it. Plus, if you
If
crush,
you add more and more marshmallows that's not like with this, it will turn sticky. So don't add any more.
no, I need cornstarch.
You need to
I
add
trust
marshmallows. So
you.
basically this is like chicken. So you get the marshmallows, you like dip it in cornstarch like this, like you're cooking. And then you let it sit out for a few seconds. Then you put it in the slime. Just like how my family cooked chicken.
Just have fun and remember the word of caution: do not eat too much cornstarch, or it will give you a tummy ache, and you do not want that. Until the next video, bye. See you